Hello students and welcome to Autodesk Inventor Professional 2021. I'm going to help you with task 2. Here we need to click on New, Metric, Standard Millimeter Part File and Create. Alright, so let's just have a look at what task 2 is asking you to do. Task 2, if we open up our assignment, is basically a circular plate with like a T-shape cut through it. You probably need to be mindful of these dimensions are on here. So 25 millimeters at the bottom, up 40, it's across 25 either side, and then that thickness at the top is 30. So we need to pretty much draw that profile to scale and then pop the circle in around it. So if we go to our Inventor, start a sketch on the groundwork plane here, and basically bring that geometry back up. So from the center, looks like the T comes down. So it's 25 across and 40 either side. So let's start with that. So half of 25 is going to be 12 and a half. So I'm going to come down to 40. Enter. I'm going to move across this way at 90 degrees to the right, 12.5 millimeters. Come back 25, press enter, come back up the 40. Alright, and then from here, it's going to check. So basically what we've got is this bottom line of the T, this side. Across here we're going to go 25, up 30, across 75. So let's just do that. So grab Inventor, come across from this point, 25, 2, 5 on the keypad, and enter. Up 30, 3, 0, enter. Across at 90 degrees, was it 70? Double check, I think it was 70. 75, sorry about that. So across 75, at 90 degrees, should snap on at the right angle. 75 millimeters, enter. Come down 25. Make sure you're at 90 degrees. No, not 25. See how it should be 30. Easy way to fix that is double click that dimension and just change that 30. Enter. There you go. And then from here, come back 25 at again 90 degrees. And then down to this corner. Alright, so press enter to turn off your drawing tool or escape. I'm just going to delete this middle dimension and this line here so that I'm left with just the T profile. So remember in the future, some of these sizes might change. So to change that, you just double click it, change whatever dimension is, and that will update the entire model, which is really handy. From here, I'm going to put the circle in. So I'm going to snap onto the point of origin for this, and I'm going to bring it out to 120 millimeters. And just check on our drawing here. They haven't got the circle plate dimension on there, so I'm just making that up at the 120 millimeters. Looks okay. Click finish the sketch. It's a bit zoomed in and zoom out. Now I want to extrude it. So I'm going to choose the profile. The distance is going to be 20 millimeters. And okay. Now the color on that one is like a lime green. So that's easy to do. As previously in task 1, we select part 1, come up to the default material at the top here, and scroll down to a light green color. Oh, a smooth dark forest green. Looks good. So there's the first part of task number 2 complete. The second part of the problem was, just make that a little bit easier to read, basically create 2 design files, one similar to the plate shown below and one with a shaft that will exactly match the shape of the hole in the plate. Please complete this task as efficiently as possible, yada yada yada. Easy. So for that, all we need to do is open up these folders over here. In particular, I'm interested in extrusion number 1. If I double click on sketch 1, what I'm going to do is just copy and paste that sketch. I've selected it. I'm going to press Control C. I'm going to go File, open a new metric standard millimeter part file. I'm going to now start a sketch on the ground plane here, and I'm going to go Control V. Alright, in this time I don't want that circle there. I'm just going to delete the circle. I'm going to go Finish Sketch and go Extrude, and I want to extrude that one 125 millimeters. Go OK, and that's the shaft that will fit exactly into that circular T plate. So what we can do here is just click on part 2, call this one shaft, just type that in, select shaft, and then change that to a different color. Just choose any color. I've just gone with a blue. So there's the shaft is blue, and then I've got over here part 1. What was this one called? Plate. So back into Inventor, click on part 1, and just call that one plate. Go Finish Sketch, and there's the plate and the shaft. Alrighty, well done. Good job, kids.